In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join One Key Rewards on Hotels.com. First, a quick rundown of what One Key is. It's the unified free loyalty program for Hotels.com, as well as Expedia and Vrbo. When you book eligible travel, think hotels and vacation rentals, but also flights, car rentals, and activities, you earn a balance called One Key Cash. You can use that on future trips to bring the price down at checkout. Members also see special pricing, and as you travel more, you can move through blue, silver, gold, and platinum tiers, unlocking extra perks along the way. Let's get you joined. You'll need a Hotels.com account. If you're new, head to Hotels.com and create one. It only takes a minute. If you already have an account, just sign in. A helpful tip here. If you also use Expedia or Vrbo, use the same email address across all three. That keeps your rewards history unified and makes tracking effortless later. Once you're logged in, you're ready to enroll in the program. Next, go to the One Key Rewards page. After signing in, visit the One Key Welcome page on Hotels.com. You can go directly to lookup.onhotels.com, welcome One Key, or open your account menu in the upper right and choose View Rewards Activity to get to the same place. Look for the Join Now button and click it to enroll. This links your existing Hotels.com account to One Key. If your Expedia or Vrbo accounts share the same email, they'll be associated automatically under the same program, which makes earning and using One Key Cash seamless. If you don't see the join option right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to prompt the enrollment banner. Once you're in, you can start earning. Always make sure you're signed in before you book. Being logged in is what triggers One Key Cash to accrue on eligible reservations. Book the travel you want, complete your trip, and your rewards will appear in your balance, usually after your stay or activity is finished. You'll be able to apply One Key Cash toward future bookings right on the payment page. You'll also see member-only prices sprinkled throughout search results. As you continue to book and complete eligible travel, you'll progress through the blue, silver, gold, and platinum tiers with earn rates and benefits that improve as you go. To keep an eye on everything, open your account menu and check rewards activity for your balance, upcoming earnings, and any perks you've unlocked. That's it. Sign in, join from the One Key page, and book while logged in to start earning. Happy travels and enjoy the savings.